The Bitcoin system is decentralized. No single person or organization controls it. Instead, it is an open network that anyone can use. It is the first digital currency that is completely distributed. To understand why this matters, first consider that the central bank of a nation owns all the dollars in circulation. If the central bank wants to buy things from the private sector, they must borrow those dollars from the Fed. Whereas the Bitcoin system is 100% decentralized. No single person or organization who ever allocated Bitcoin addresses to themselves controls it or owns the names and addresses on the Bitcoin blockchain. Only the people who receive Bitcoin actually use it. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin were initially seen as experimental in 2010 by Silicon Valley and financial institutions looking for a revolutionary new way for global payments. Bitcoin was the first digital cryptocurrency with no trusted third party involved. Since that time, the number of Bitcoin addresses has more than doubled and Bitcoin transactions more than doubled from February to November 2020. Most of those transactions happened in even bigger transactions. For instance, and it's only going to get better. Blockchain technology is exponential. As more and more financial applications are built on top of Bitcoin, the blockchain network will get stronger as well. Read article about the exponential growth of the blockchain here. So with Bitcoin and blockchain technologies squarely in our sights, here is what banks need to understand regarding investments in Bitcoin and blockchain. As soon as you distribute your financial assets over a blockchain, you can connect them to any other blockchain without touching a single dollar. Once you manage to do that, you can take shortcuts and eliminate middlemen by using a centralized clearinghouse that processes financial assets on behalf of financial institutions. The clearinghouse takes a cut of all transactions in the clearinghouse's trade clearing system and allows clearinghouses to connect to any blockchain.